Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. We would like to thank you for being with us today. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel, and we're going to fix something small today on CAD Linux. But I think if you can follow in most of the operating systems, you can also fix it based on this video. But this video is specifically for CAD Linux. But if you know computers, you don't worry, you just have to watch this. After that, you can, even if you're using Windows or Ubuntu or Kali Linux or another operating system, I think the logic is almost the same. So the problem is here. When I try to write, like I'm gonna write my name or I'm trying to say my email, mu at, you see, when I click at, it works. Why? Because I fixed it. But before, when I click at, it was giving me this. So now that's what we wanna see. What's the reason? Why was it giving us that? So this is a quick fix, a very quick fix. So even when I put in my password, now my password instead of at is like this. So I was installing a new operating system, then I only found out like when I come in it's fine, when I log in it's fine, but then I had a problem whereby I wanted to write to write my email, to log into my email. When I'm pressing Shift 2, then it gives me this. So then I knew that if I press also Shift plus this, then I'm gonna get that. So then it replaces, it swipes those two. This goes to Shift 2, you get me? So now what I'm gonna do is to fix it. If you're using CAD Linux, then let us go to your settings. I'm gonna bring settings to you right now here. Let me go to settings. You go to settings. These are the settings for CAD Linux. You can go down and see language, region and language. That's where you click. So you can see English US is up here. That's why it's correct. But if in this position there's English UK, it will be wrong. So let's test this. So you want to swipe this, put it down. Let's do that. Put that up, English UK here instead of being here. So it's gonna change everything. So if you press Shift 2, Shift 2 should work. Something happened, but it's gonna work. Okay, let me show you why. You click here on the keyboard, you can see what's going on. You see on the Shift on 2, this is what we see, and on this it's replaced by this. So it simply means that's the thing. So we're gonna go back. You can see this is what you see on 2, because if I press Shift and 2, if I go to numbers 2, it's gonna give me this. If I press Shift and this, it's gonna give me this. So you can see this in the English UK US is gonna come here. English UK, it's here. So let's close and go swipe again. If we do the swiping and we say please come down, okay, we put English US there. Let's see. You can see everything changed. You can see now everything is to what changed. Everything changed to this. So this is in the right position now, and this is in the wrong position. So the only thing you have to do is to swipe this to this. So if I put this up again and I click on keyboard, you can see it changed again. So that's the only reason why your stuff is not working. So you can see what was going on. But if I swipe it back, I'm gonna do that, then it's gonna work. So what you're gonna do, put this UK here, UK down, US up. So UK down, US up here, UK down, US up here. If you want to use two of them, you can use US, it's fine. But that's something I haven't done before. But what I know is, like, when you just swipe this, your thing is gonna work. Sometimes you might swipe it and doesn't work. So what does it say? If you swipe it and doesn't work for you, it simply means go, after doing that settings, make sure you click here and see this. If you see this, it means it doesn't work. So if you come and do this and go back to your keyboard, if you see the keyboard is right, then that's gonna work for you. So what you do, you go back, you test. If it doesn't work, what you do, mine works 100%. What you do, you switch off your computer. You don't restart the computer, just turn it off completely. Then you light it back, then you test, and it's gonna work. It's definitely gonna work. And if you're using Windows, you're gonna also look for the place where there's languages and stuff. That's when you're gonna see the keyboard language. Then you have to use US and take out other stuff. So you're gonna play on that, only that gonna work. Guys, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and if you have any problems, please contact us via comment box there. Whatever I say, we're gonna help you. But if it doesn't work, I'm definitely sure you must switch off your computer, switch on back. It's gonna work. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.